Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about TempData in MVC. TempData is a dictionary object to store data temporarily. It is a TempData dictionary class type and instance property of the controller base class. TempData is able to keep data for the duration of a HTTP request. In other words, it can keep live data between two consecutive HTTP requests. Let's see the example. Let's open Visual Studio, new project, and select MVC application. Just TempData. Let's select the TMT project and MVC. Basically, you have already seen that ViewBag and ViewData. ViewBag and ViewData is basically used for transfer data from controller to view. But in the use of TempData, you can pass from controller to controller. Just create one controller and go down that home. And create one view. So here you can see that how we can define the TempData. TempData is the data dictionary. So it's a key value pair. Key value pair. So here we can write that key name, just like a first name. We can write the first name. So here we say that last name. Address. And same data can split in view. And just copy as it is. Make a break. Last name. Break. And last one is the time address. Just trying to select the application. See here. Now you can see the test data value. First name, last name and address. Now we create one more Excel method. Second index as index. Second index. Now return view. We create one more. or same data, same what actually that I used from here, same data I want to see in the another view. So same I will copy this thing and paste it here. Let's see it will come or not. Just run the application. First it will run that index, then it will run that as index. That is a second index. This is a home.index. This data is coming. Now we'll check that second index. See, there is no data. Because it's like that TempData have to keep data for the duration of the HTTP application. In other words, it can keep live data between two consecutive HTTP requests. So how we can preserve the data for second HTTP request? One more thing, when an object in a TempData dictionary is read, it will be marked for deletion at the end of the request. Just like if you will write something this one, okay, but and on the another request you access it, the value will be there, but as soon as read it, the value will be marked for deletion. Same thing we have already seen. So how we can preserve for the next request? Just you have to use that keep method. So you can write that keep method. Just one more time. This is the home.index method. Now we will check that home.second index. So it will run that one, same. We are getting that data. But again, if you will run the same one, that but data is deleted. The first request, let's see once again. First request, it's preserve that one, that TempData, and same times it display and keep that one, the data for the second request. So if that's why if you use the second, if you call the second index, you can see the data. This one, the same data is displayed. One more thing you can see. Let's delete that. From controller to from just create one list of string. You can run list of string dot add model. Second record is view. Control 4. Same data I want to see here, just like again that list of string in another action method. Add TempData. Or assign that list of string. Okay, same one. Display that second action method. Yeah, see here we are going to assign this. And one more thing is that TempData casting is required. You'll see that here I am we are getting data or not. Let's run the application. Okay. Here we preserve the data in the TempData. The list of strings is added into TempData. Okay. So you check that for this one the data is coming out. Because we didn't use that, we didn't read that value, that list of string. So it's home dot second index. Let's see data came on. See that 3 records came. Model view controller. Because here we read that value. The TempData here we read. Again, if I create one more action method, I want to see that value, it will not be, because once times you read, the data is deleted. That is a third request. Okay. Same we are going to copy here and check. It's coming on. Take this one. The first request, that is a home.index one. See, just press F10. You can see that list of is 3 value. Then here it's added into TempData 3 records. Next we will check that it should display in the next consecutive request that as index. Okay. So here I have read that one TempData value. That means that in the, again if I make a request for third index, you will not get any data. Means data is deleted from here, because here you already read. Yes, please. Here that one is a third request. Just write down T. Now here you cannot see any data. See, it's a null, because from here you already read, and here, because once you read it, then data is deleted. Because of that, here data is not displaying. So how you can preserve? Same thing. Here you can write that TempData dot keep method. So now if it's a keep, then again data will be preserved for the next request. This one is the home.index. In this action method, in the TempData value is added. The second one, in the second request, data read and it's keep, and the third request, this T, just make it refine. Okay. Now run it. Now you will see the data. See. But if you will run again, that means data is deleted. Once you read, the data is deleted. For the TempData method, it can preserve the value for the next request. Once again, in the next request, if you read the value, then again data is deleted. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.